Hello everyone, this is me, Professor Harshad. I welcome you all to Kautilya IAS Academy, Pune. Today in this session, we are going to learn and understand different sort of correlative conjunction and their usage. Along with that, few phrases that we often use in English language. So under these sessions, we shall learn no sooner than, hardly had, as soon as, and moreover few others correlative conjunctions like not only but also, right? Then either or, neither nor, or and nor. These sort of correlative conjunction and the phrases like no sooner than are often used in not only in written examination, written English, but also in spoken English as well. And based on that, there are questions are asked in sentence transformations and also in spotting the errors as well. So without further ado, let's move ahead with the very first phrase that we often use, that no sooner than. Now what we have to understand here in this particular phrase, that the usage of no sooner than. So no sooner than is used when two action happens, one action happens immediately after the second one, right? So जैसे ही एक action होती है, immediately after the very first action the second action happens. So दो action, एक action, immediately after that the second action, उन दो action को express करने के लिए we use no sooner than. We'll take and we'll learn with the help of one example. So prior to that, I just would like to tell you that these actions are often conveyed with the help of no sooner than and with the help of past perfect plus simple past. Past perfect plus simple past. Understood? Yes. Just give me a moment and I'll fix the pen setting, right? No. Yes. So past perfect plus simple past. So the action of no sooner is used in the past perfect tense, then we use than, and then the simple past, right? So past perfect plus than and then simple past. Moreover, we can also express no sooner than with the help of simple past plus simple past. So यहाँ पे जो दो एक्शन ली है, पहली एक्शन that is used and that is conveyed with the help of past perfect. So look at the example, we'll understand no sooner than का usage हम देखेंगे, पहले इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे हुआ है देखेंगे. So no sooner had I closed, so no sooner had I closed my eyes than I fell asleep. So no sooner had I closed, past perfect, then than, and then simple past, right? Second example, the same example which is used, which is conveyed with the help of simple past plus simple past. No sooner did I close my eyes, so यहाँ पे simple past than, ये भी simple past. So far you understood the no sooner than can be conveyed in past perfect tense plus simple past और second में simple past plus simple past. So यहाँ पे आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि no sooner than, no sooner का जो क्लॉज है, no sooner के क्लॉज में आपको simple past and past perfect यूज किया जा सकता है, लेकिन देन के बाद का जो क्लॉज है कंपल्सरीली यू विल हैव टू यूज सिंपल पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट. Yes. Now, important rule that you will have to understand here in no sooner than that you always, no sooner is always followed by than and not when. Understood? No sooner is always followed by than and not when. So when नहीं इस्तेमाल करना है हमें. All right. Let's take the example. First, no sooner had I arrived than he called, not when he called. So एक बात का आपको अंदाजा लग गया होगा कि no sooner के क्लॉज में हम ज़्यादातर पास्ट परफेक्ट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं एंड उसके बाद हम than का इस्तेमाल होता है और उसके बाद हम सिंपल पास्ट का इस्तेमाल होता है. राइट. सो how we are going to convert that? Let's try and understand. देखो ये क्लॉज पढ़ो. Verb tense past perfect and the second action in simple past. So first action no sooner plus past perfect plus than and then simple past. ऐसी होती है. You take off any action and that action occurs in this way only. And generally 99% we use no sooner than with the help of past perfect and that to be in an inversion format. So inversion format क्या है? Let's try and understand. ये फॉर्मूला आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा. Then you can add any number of example or any example into this formula. Add कर सकते हैं कौन सा भी example. Let's say no sooner plus had. We'll take this example into this formula. First, no sooner, we have no sooner, then we have had, then we have subject she, then past participle rich, and then we have than, and then simple past. Right? We fix these formula into this sentence. Now you have to understand one thing. When is come to the usage of verb format, when it's come to like simple present, we have first form of verb, right? We, one, say, speak, right? Then when it's come to simple past, this is simple present, V1. Simple past, it is V2, spoke, right? Then we have past participle. The way we have used a past participle is V3. It says like spoken, right? And when it's come to present participles, again present participle. Present participle is nothing but a verb form number 4, that is speaking, right? So ये ध्यान में रखना आपको कि V1 क्या होता है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट होता है, V2 क्या होता है, सिंपल पास्ट होता है, स्पोक सेकेंड फॉर्म, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल जो होता है that is nothing but the third form of verb, past participle, and present participle is basically a verb form number 4, that is speaking, right? So this is where we use past participle rich, right? So let's try and understand with the help of these example one more time. Yes. So no sooner had she reached the station, than the train left, simple past. So the action of reaching station happened first, as we have also discussed these things in present perfect, right? So the present perfect comes first and then simple past. कि जो अगर दो एक्शन एक के बाद होने के बाद दूसरी एक्शन होती है। दो एक्शन अगर साथ में होती है, दो एक्शन अगर साथ में होती है तो हम किससे उसको बयां करते हैं? व्हाइल। लाइक आई एम टीचिंग और आई वॉज टीचिंग व्हाइल यू आर लर्निंग और यू वर लर्निंग। ये दो एक्शन को अगर दोनों एक्शन साथ में हो रहे, एक के बाद दूसरी नहीं, दोनों एक्शन साथ में हो रहे, तो हम व्हाइल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अगर दोनों एक्शन साथ में नहीं हो रहे, एक एक्शन होने के बाद दूसरी एक्शन हो रही है, तब उस केस में हमने बोला था कि हम पहली एक्शन को डिनोट करने के लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना, पास्ट परफेक्ट, और उसके बाद हम दैन का इस्तेमाल यूज करके सिंपल पास्ट करते हैं, राइट। ये हमने देखा था टेंसेस पढ़ते समय। नाउ अगेन वी आर highlighting the same point. So action of reaching station happened first and immediately after that the train left. This is conveyed in second action. I hope you understood. Moving ahead, this is basically a normal order, and normal, you see here in this case, no sooner had I reached the station or no sooner had I taught you the lesson than you understood, right? Than you understood. So जितने चाहे उतने एग्जाम्पल हम इस स्ट्रक्चर से लेके हैं, एंड दिस स्ट्रक्चर, इन्वर्जन स्ट्रक्चर स्पेशली इन नो सूनर दैन इज वेरी कॉमन, फॉर्मल एंड प्रिडोमिनेंट। इसका ही इस्तेमाल आपको करना है, पर ये नॉर्मल ऑर्डर को भी आप ध्यान में रख लेना। यस, क्या है नॉर्मल ऑर्डर? सब्जेक्ट, हैड, then no sooner. Subject and had, like I had no sooner gone there than the train left. ये देखो कितना आसान है। पहले इसको देखते हैं। She had, subject and had, then no sooner, then past participle reach, then the train left. So this is basically, both are correct, but inversion form, that is this form is very formal and used in written communication. ये देखो, ये वाला है ना, ये formal भी है और written communication भी यूज किया जाता है, whereas this normal order is rarely used, but you should know the order of no sooner than as well. Fine, look at the example. Second action can be like say I had no sooner taught you the lesson than you understood. जैसे ही मैंने आपको पढ़ाया उसके तुरंत बाद आपको समझ में आ गया। सो पढ़ाने की एक्शन खत्म हो गई और समझने की एक्शन बाद में होगी। अंडरस्टूड? यस। मूविंग अहेड with a second type of phrase, or sorry, we'll have one example with the help of this. I think no sooner had we sat down, बैठने की एक्शन पहले हो गई, जैसे ही बैठने की एक्शन हो गई उसके बाद में लाइट चली गई, राइट? और उसी को अगर नॉर्मल फॉर्म में करना है, सो दिस इज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म, एंड दीज आर बेसिकली, आई वांट यू टू टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस and study this example so as to understand the usage of no sooner than. Okay, I want you to highlight one more point here, how we are going to convert this with the help of simple past plus simple past. Let's try and understand this with the help of the very first example. Fine, so let's take this example. No sooner did, अब यहाँ पे हैड था तो हमें क्या लेना है? सिंपल पास्ट लेना है। सो सिंपल पास्ट वी नो लाइक द V2 फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। देन नो सूनर डिड वी सिट, ये ध्यान में रखना। आई वॉन्ट यू टू कीप दिस इन माइंड और इनग्रेव इन योर माइंड दैट व्हेन इज कम टू नो सूनर डिड, उसके बाद में जो वर्ब आएगा ना वो V1 आएगा। सो सॉरी, उसके बाद में जो वर्ब आएगा ना तो V1 आएगा. सो यहाँ पे नो सुनर डीड वी सिट, सैट नहीं, राइट. सो डिड वी ऑलरेडी यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म. डू डज हम ये प्रेजेंट में इस्तेमाल करते हैं और पास्ट में क्या इस्तेमाल होता है, डिड, राइट. सो वी डिड आर होमवर्क. सो वी कंप्लीटेड आर होमवर्क बोलने की जरूरत, ऐसे बोलते हैं फिर वी कंप्लीटेड आर होमवर्क, राइट, और वी डिड आर होमवर्क, राइट. सो वेरी सिंपल. देन the light went off, right? Very simple. So first simple past and then simple past, then the light went off. इसको कैसे करेंगे? No sooner did the bell ring. Simple present again. So ring, rang, rung. So this is basically a third form of it, right? So this way you can convert these past perfect into simple past. So simple past करते समय आपको क्या करना है, जो उसके बाद में जो verb आता है did के बाद में, उसको simple present में मतलब V1 करना है, right? Moving ahead, we'll take one more exam. We'll take few exercise. Let's say it's very easy. No sooner had I opened the door, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ, then the dog ran out. जैसे ही मैंने दरवाजा ओपन किया उसके बाद में जो कुत्ता था वो दरवाजे से बाहर चला गया. यस, इसको डीड से भी होता है. सो लेट्स टेक द फाइनल वन विच इज द टफेस्ट वन. लेट्स से this is the normal order. This is the order of inversion, right? And this is normal order. Yes. So normal order को देखते हैं एक बार. She had no sooner finished dinner than the phone rang. जैसे ही मैंने मेरा डिनर फिनिश किया, immediately after that I got the phone calls, right? Yeah, I hope that you understood. Let's move ahead with the hardly had, scarcely, and then when. So hardly, scarcely, when. So you can use the same structure, but here you are supposed to use when in this case, right? So no sooner than, hardly had, or scarcely had when we use for the same sentence construction. ये साथ ही एक ही sentence construction के साथ यूज होता है और दो एक्शन के लिए यूज होता है. Okay, let's understand this. Like the expression hardly when or scarcely when are used for two action again. No sooner than की तरह hardly और scarcely ये भी दो एक्शन की तरह यूज होता है. One action happens immediately after that the second action happens, right? जैसे एक एक्शन खत्म होती है immediately after that दूसरी एक्शन खत्म होती है ना. It is basically to emphasize in a formal writing or in a storytelling. ऐसे राइटिंग में, प्रेसे राइटिंग में ये आपको बहुत काम आने वाला है. और जो ग्रामर का पोर्शन है 50 मार्क्स के लिए कंपलसरी इंग्लिश में, इसमें भी ये स्ट्रक्चर पूछा जाता है. उसमें सर ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे क्या पूछा जाता है पता है, स्केर्सली हैड एंड देन. बट हमें तो पता है स्केर्सली हैड नहीं होता है, उसमें क्या आता है, व्हेन. विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. यस, द वेरी थिंग दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड while solving the question based on scarcely had or hardly had, or scarcely had and hardly had, then that you will have to understand we use when and not that, right? Let's and both the action here in this case you have the action, that is the first action happens in past perfect compulsorily. वहां पे तो सिंपल पास्ट प्लस सिंपल पास्ट था, किसमें, नो सूनर ने सिंपल पास्ट प्लस सिंपल पास्ट का इस्तेमाल करते थे हम, बट हियर इन दिस केस कंपल्सरीली यू विल हैव टू यूज past perfect then simple past. Yes, let's understand with this Paul. And there is no there is no normal order. No sooner में तो होता है normal order, इसमें नहीं होता है. Yes, inversion form. Hardly, scarcely, had. Look at the example. Hardly had, इसको scarcely भी कर सकते हैं आप, right? Then the subject, sorry, yes, hardly, scarcely, had, then the subject I, then the past participle reach, then the main, sorry, then the when, and then simple past. Look at the example. Hardly had I reached the gate when it started raining. It started raining. Second example, scarcely had I opened the door than the phone rang. Than the phone rang. Yes. Look at the example. Scarcely had she begin to speak. जैसे ही उसने बोलना शुरू कर दिया, immediately after that क्या हुआ, the bell rang. Third example, इसको ही लेके समझते हैं एक example. Yes. Hardly had और scarcely had दोनों भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. जैसे we will use hardly. Okay. Hardly had I recorded for a while, or recorded for a minute, you can say for a minute. Yes, hardly had I recorded for a minute when I got the phone calls. जैसे ही मैंने I got the phone call, जैसे मैंने 1 मिनट के लिए रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू कर दी, उसके तुरंत बाद मुझे फोन आ गया. सो इसको इससे scarcely had and hardly had, this is how you use it in a inversion. And I want you to use this for 99% or for a 99 time, right? We have in normal order as well, like I had, look at it, this is the normal order, but normal order is not used in a day-to-day communication or in a formal writing as well, right? But for your understanding, when it's come to the structure of normal order and ask you to convert that in inversion order, you have to understand it. So I want you to take the screenshot. Yes. Let's take the example. Normal order and then, sorry, inversion order and normal order. This is to be used for 99 times, and this can be for one time, 1% only, right? Let's say hardly had we stepped out, और इसको बोल सकते scarcely had we stepped out. Hardly had भी हो सकता है और scarcely had भी हो सकता है, right? Yeah. When, but when को लगाना मत भूलना यहाँ पे. No sooner में क्या होता था, than, right? और यहाँ क्या होता है, when the lights went off, right? Normal order, we had scarcely or we had hardly, right? The fill scarcely, hardly, ये दो एग्जाम्पल. इसका inversion, ये normal order. Yes, we had hardly stepped out when the lights off, right? ये पता होना चाहिए, इसीलिए आपके जस्ट आई wrote this example for your understanding, right? बट एक ट्रिक तो आपको ध्यान में आ ही चुकी होगी अभी तक कि पहला नॉर्मल ऑर्डर में हो सकता है, राइट? प्रेजेंट सॉरी पास्ट परफेक्ट, बट इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दैट सिंपल पास्ट. सो पास्ट परफेक्ट नो सूनर दैन में भी, और हार्डली हैड स्केर्सली हैड में भी, और उसके इमीडिएटली बाद simple past. Yes, we'll have an exercise to solve. What you're going to use here, you can use hardly or scarcely, right? Had I finished, जैसे ही मैंने मेरा होमवर्क खत्म कर दिया, what you're going to use here, tell me. When or than? Of course when. So scarcely had and hardly had में क्या आता है? when the power went off. जैसे मैंने मेरा होमवर्क खत्म कर दिया, लाइट चली गई, राइट? नॉर्मल ऑर्डर का देखते हैं. she had, what are you going to use? scarcely और hardly, दोनों भी पॉसिबल है. close the book, then when the teacher called her. जैसे उसने अपना किताब बंद कर दिया, उसको टीचर का बुलावा आ गया, राइट? या सो दीज थ्री आर वेरी एग्जाम्पल, बट फॉर आई वॉन्ट यू टू सॉल्व दीज एग्जाम्पल. मोर ओवर यू कैन fill in these example with the help of different subject and different verb. So इसमें क्या करना है? सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब का चेंज करना है दोनों भी सेंटेंस में भी, यहाँ पे भी एंड सिंपल पास्ट में भी, एंड यू आर गुड टू गो देन. यस, मूविंग अहेड, द नेक्स्ट वन इज एज सून एज. नाउ there is a fancy way of saying two things with the help of as soon as, but as soon as you do not have any than or when, right? You suppose not to use anything, like you express to indicate one action happen immediately after another. There is a connection of two event but close in time. As soon as I finish recording, lights went off. That you can use with past as well, present as well and future as well. इसमें than और when का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है, इसमें क्या होता है? कॉमा का इस्तेमाल होता है, right? And there are two clauses that you use. How you are going to use it? Let's understand it. Look at it. We use it with past tense, like as soon as plus simple past plus simple past. As soon as simple past plus simple past. Conditional हमने देखे थे ना. Similarly, on the same in the same way you can use this way, right? Look at the example. As soon as plus simple past simple past. कैसे होता है? Example. As soon as she entered the room, comma, everyone stood up. जैसे ही वो क्लास में आई, बाकी सारे लोग उसकी तरफ नहीं देखने लगे. She must be a ma'am or your female teacher, right? So जैसे ही वो क्लास में आई, तभी सारे लोग, मतलब सारे लोग जहाँ पे जो बैठे थे, वो as a token of respect or as a token of gratitude or as a token of regards, everybody stood up. मतलब उनको रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए सब लोग खड़े हो गए. इसमें क्या होगा? फर्स्ट शी एंटर्ड inside the room and into the room, then everybody stood right after that, right? So I can say like, as soon as I wrote this statement, as soon as I wrote this statement, I wiped it out. जैसे ही मैंने लिख दिया, मैंने उसको वाइप भी कर लिया, रब भी बोल सकते हैं, वाइप भी बोल सकते हैं. यस, I think you understood, but you will have to convey this with the help of comma. The same no sooner than and hardly had, scarcely had, इसको आप you can use that with the help of either simple past plus simple past, right? Or sorry, just a moment, past perfect plus simple past. ये no sooner than, hardly had, scarcely had के लिए. But no, as soon as that you can use these with three things, past, present and future के साथ भी यूज होता है. That we have used with the help with simple past and simple past. Understood? Yes. I have one bonus tip for you at the end of the session. Be with me. Yeah. Then present and future event. If the first actions happens in simple present, then the second shall happen in simple future. And here I am going to tell you one bonus tip. Yes. So as soon as simple present and immediately after that simple future. Look at the example. As soon as the rain stops, we will go outside. जैसे ही बारिश खत्म होती है हम बाहर जाएंगे, right? Look at the example. As soon as the rain stops, जैसे ही बारिश खत्म हो जाती है we shall go outside. But not as soon as the rain will stop. So here I have two tips for you, and that is that you suppose not to use will or you suppose not to use will, yes, with as soon as. Like first आपको as soon as ये will के क्लॉज में या फिर सिंपल फ्यूचर के साथ यूज नहीं करना है, ठीक है? ये सिंपल फ्यूचर के साथ, यस, सिंपल फ्यूचर के साथ इसको यूज नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट थिंग, राइट? एंड देन दी connectives like or sometime adverb and before, once, as long as, so long as, and they are like again after, right? Then इसके बाद आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट का इस्तेमाल करना है. कैसे? I'll tell you example. Look at like I shall call you. Look at the I shall call you once I finish my class. Finish my class. So I didn't use here I will call you once I will finish my class. So once के बाद क्या यूज किया मैंने? सिंपल प्रेजेंट यूज किया डियर फ्रेंड. I finish my class. Once I finish my class, right? I can say like I shall call you after I finish my class. I can say like I shall call you as soon as I finish my class. As soon as का थोड़ा मतलब अलग हो जाता है कि जैसे ही क्लास खत्म होता है मैं तुरंत आपको कॉल करूंगा. Once I, ओके, मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा जैसे मेरा मतलब एक बार मेरा अगर क्लास खत्म हो जाए मैं आपको कॉल करूंगा, है ना? सो और लाइक देन यू कहते हैं आफ्टर माई क्लास आई विल कॉल यू आफ्टर माई क्लास, राइट? मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला आई विल कॉल यू आफ्टर आई विल फिनिश माई क्लास. नो, right? So it's very easy to understand when the word like before, once, as long as, so long as, after, then you have to use simple present and not present, and not future, simple future, right? Simple present use करना है आपको, ना कि simple future, right? I'll have one more example for you, don't worry. She shall meet me, or she will meet me. We'll take this. She will meet me after she joins her friend. After she joins her friend. So वो मुझे मिलेगी जैसे वो अपने दोस्त को मिलेंगी, right? Not she will meet me after she will join her friend. No. Second example, let's say they will meet me. They will meet me once they once they finish recording. Yes, once they finish recording. Yes, once they finish recording. मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला they will meet me once they will finish recording. No. So after, like once, after, before, as long as, so long as, right? Yeah, you can say like I will continue teaching you. Look at the example. I'll continue to teaching you as long as you like it. मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला I'll continue teaching you as long as you will like it. You will like it, no. As long as you like it. Simple present. So this was my donor strip, and I think many a time we commit this blunder while solving spot the error. Spot the error में बहुत सारी गलतियाँ ऐसे हो जाती है, ठीक है. So simple present plus simple future, okay. But simple present के केस में as soon as के बाद या फिर इन सारे कनेक्टिव्स के बाद आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट का इस्तेमाल करना है. यस. देन लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड पास्ट. सिंपल पास्ट प्लस सिंपल पास्ट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट प्लस सिंपल फ्यूचर, ये भी देखा हमने. नाउ लेट्स look at, this is very unusual with perfect tense. We use as soon as with perfect tense. As soon as she has finished his work, call me. So you can like as soon as, present perfect, future simple, and imperative that we can use it. Like as soon as she opened the door, I warn her not to use it. I warn her. Okay. With that you can use as well. Yeah. I warn her not to open it. Yeah, this way you can use. This is very unusual per se, but these two are, I mean, that way study this second one. ये बहुत बार पूछी गई है एग्जाम में और हर एक एग्जाम में पूछी जाती है. Yes. Then the common mistake, you know, as I said to you, given you so many examples, do not use will after as soon as, even if it's talking about the future. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि okay, I will teach you. I'll teach you extra nouns. I'll teach you extra noun after I will finish my batch. So I will finish my batch. No. After I finish my batch. After I finish my batch. So मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं ये बैच होने के बाद में आपको एक्स्ट्रा नाउन पढ़ाऊंगा. मतलब फ्यूचर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. बट तभी भी फ्यूचर के बारे में बोलना है. तब as soon as, so long as, once, before, इसके साथ में आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट का इस्तेमाल करना है, फ्यूचर का नहीं. ठीक है. यस. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. पास का देखते हैं. दो. as soon as the bell rang, student ran out. जैसे बेल बजी स्टूडेंट भाग गए. प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर को देखते हैं. as long as I get home, I'll call you. जैसे ही मैं घर पहुंचता हूं, देखो as long as के केस में हमने सिंपल प्रेजेंट का इस्तेमाल किया, राइट. देन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड फ्यूचर के टर्म. as soon as she has completed the task, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है. he has completed the task, she will submit the report. so present perfect plus simple future. ये present perfect है. this is simple future. This way again you can use this phrase as soon as. Okay, an imperative, as soon as you arrive, let me know. As soon as you finish recording, call me. As soon as you go out, close the window. है ना, imperative है ना? Yes. So point is that you can use as soon as with all these sort of tenses. But whereas the other two phrases like no sooner than, hardly had and scarcely when, that you use with simple past plus simple past or past perfect plus simple past. Yes. Let's check your knowledge then. Yeah. The first, as soon as the match. Now I have as soon as here. What are we going to use here? As soon as the match starts. Why starts? Because as soon as आ गया है तो यहाँ पे simple present होना चाहिए, right? और simple present है, the match है, match singular है, इसीलिए yes लगा है यहाँ पे. Starts. The crowd began cheering. है ना? तो ये किसका क्लॉज है? Simple present plus simple present. Yes. Sorry. Simple past. Yeah. I'll message you as soon as I. बोलो क्या है? Will get home. Will get home. No. As soon as के बाद क्या आता है? I get home. Right? I get home. We'll take the last one then. We shall begin the exam as soon as everyone will arrive. As soon as everyone will arrive. बोलो. As soon as everyone arrives only and not arrives. Right? Yes. Very easy. So I'm sure that you understood these important phrases and usage of it. Moreover, I'll also teach you the difference between for, since and during, probably in next class. So keep practice and try these sentences in a different context with the help of different subject and different verbs. Thank you.